nga mibida na sa ubay-ubay nga mga series dinhi sa Kapuso Network. O karon, bagong challenging role na usab ang iyang i-portray alang sa bagong drama nga Legal Wives. With us this morning, actor and host Derrick Monasterio. Maayong buntag, Derrick, and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, everyone.
How are you, Derrick? How are you and your family?
We're doing good. We're safe. Thank God. And andito na kami sa house ngayon. Chill lang.
And let's start
Yeah.
our morning, Derrick, by reminiscing about your sinulog experience dito sa Cebu.
Yes.
What do you remember the most about the biggest festival dito sa Cebu?
Sinulog. I actually haven't visited Cebu na ako lang. It's always for regionals. And usually show lang talaga.
And Derrick, when you did In Die Will Always Love You, dito sa Cebu yun, di ba? Shoot nyo yun back in 2018. You immersed yourself in our culture here in Cebu. How do you find the faith ng mga Cebuanos towards Santo Niño?
Actually, Mrs. ang pinaka gusto ko talagang city. Medyo biased kasi ako eh. Pero my favorite city. Pag tinatanong ko ng mga friends ko and sa interviews, sinasabi ko talaga Cebu. Kasi I don't know, Cebu has a very special place in my heart talaga. Like, ang tagal namin kasi dyan eh. Like, nandiyan kami for 2 weeks. Tapos we just visited different islands, Bantayan, tapos yung mga places na tourist spots sa Cebu na visit namin lahat. We swam with the shark. So lahat talaga ng magagawa mo, nagawa namin. And ang dami kong na-meet na tao. And ang sarap ng food. And ang bait lahat eh. For me, it's more of a vacation than a work nung pumunta kami sa Cebu. And yun nga, I really want to go back, to go to the beaches, Malapascua. Gusto ko yan matry lahat.
And ikaw ba, Derrick, if given the chance to come back here in Cebu, what will be your first destination pagdating mo dito?
Moderetso ako beach. Kasi I heard Bantayan is 4 hours or 3 hours away from the city.
Yes.
So, doon ako diretso na agad.
And this time naman, let's talk about your upcoming project, ang Legal Wives. Kasi isa ka talaga sa mga inaabangan na karakter dito since you'll be portraying Bianca's best friend, di ba? Na may lihim na pagtingin sa kanya. Sa totoong buhay ba, Derrick? Nangyari ito sa'yo?
Yeah. Ako yung magiging love interest ni Bianca. So I'll be playing the role of Edgar. I'm a Catholic. And siguro yung magiging conflict dito is our religion. Kasi we know naman na medyo Muslim and Catholic hindi masyado mag-work love-wise. Kasi different beliefs and all. So yun, yung character ko, tatry niya, gagawin niya lahat para mapaibig si Bianca.
Pero Derrick, kung nalaman mo na yung mahal mo ay may ibang mahal, how would you react to that?
Thank you dahil nalaman ko at least I'm not gonna suffer anymore for the rest of my life.
At ngayon naman, Derrick, please invite our viewers dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas to watch out for Legal Wives.
Yes, sa lahat ng kapuso natin sa Central and Eastern Visayas, meron na po kaming inihandang pinakabagong cultural drama show para sa inyong lahat. Ito nga po yung Legal Wives. Ako po si Edgar dyan, abangan niyo po ako. And abangan niyo po ang buong show kasi pinagandaan po namin lahat to. Yan.
And we can't wait na makita ka muli sa TV, Derrick, this time sa Legal Wives. Daghang salamat for joining us this morning.
Daghang salamat, Miss Cecil. Thank you guys. Good morning.
Thank you.